Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you the most honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into the Zoe Skin Health Growth Factor Serum Plus. This serum is all about reducing the appearance of expression lines and wrinkles, while also restoring hydration and strengthening your skin's protective barrier. Let's break down whether this serum lives up to its promises and how it performed in my skincare routine. First off, the Zoe Skin Health Growth Factor Serum Plus promises to improve skin's overall health with a focus on anti-aging. It's designed to minimize irritation and boost hydration, leaving you with brighter, more youthful skin. This is a product that claims to be as effective as it is gentle, which is always a nice balance in skincare. When I first incorporated the serum into my routine, I noticed that the texture was smooth and lightweight, absorbing quickly into my skin without leaving any sticky residue. The formula doesn't feel heavy, which I personally appreciate for a daily serum. It glides on easily and my skin feels hydrated instantly, almost like a surge of moisture, which is great for those dry or dehydrated skin days. After using it for a couple of weeks, I did start to notice some improvement in the overall texture of my skin. The fine lines around my eyes and mouth seemed a bit softer, and I felt like my skin had a healthier, more radiant glow. It's not a miracle product that will erase years of skin aging overnight, but it does seem to gradually improve skin's firmness and overall appearance, which is what you'd expect from a serum like this. In terms of usability, I liked how versatile it is in my routine. It layers well under moisturizers and sunscreens without causing any piling, which can be a common issue with some serums. I did use it both morning and night, and it worked great as a base before my SPF in the morning, keeping my skin hydrated all day long. The biggest strength of this serum lies in its ability to hydrate and strengthen the skin. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this could be a great addition to your routine. It doesn't just hydrate, it works on the skin's barrier, reinforcing it so your skin can better protect itself from environmental stressors. This is crucial, especially in climates with harsh weather or for those with compromised skin barriers. On the flip side, the price tag might be a deal breaker for some. At around $160 for a 30ml bottle, it's definitely on the pricier side. While I do think the product works well and delivers on its promises, I can't ignore the fact that it's quite an investment, especially for anyone on a budget. So, if you're looking for something that provides similar benefits at a lower price, you might want to consider alternatives, but I'll get into that later. One thing that stood out to me in terms of design is the packaging. It's clean, professional, and hygienic, with a pump dispenser that ensures you're getting just the right amount of product without any waste. That's a win in my book because no one wants to deal with a serum that gets all over the place. Now, when it comes to value for money, Zoe Skin Health is definitely a high-end brand. And while the serum does deliver on its promises, the question of whether it's worth the price depends on your budget and skincare goals. If you're in the market for something that targets anti-aging, strengthens your skin's barrier, and helps keep you looking radiant, this serum could be a good fit. But if you're not as concerned about the price and want similar benefits from a more budget-friendly option, there are definitely alternatives out there. As for alternatives, products like Neutrogena Hydro Boost or even the Ordinary's Buffet Serum come to mind. While they may not have the same high-end ingredient list as Zoe Skin Health, they do a great job of hydrating and addressing early signs of aging without breaking the bank. To sum it up, I think the Zoe Skin Health Growth Factor Serum Plus is a solid option for those who are looking to invest in skincare that works. It delivers on hydration, helps soften expression lines, and strengthens the skin's barrier. If you're someone who's really into anti-aging or just looking for a high-quality serum that works, this could be a good fit for you. However, if you're working within a tighter budget, there are other products that provide similar results at a lower price point. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning into Beautyistic today. If you've tried the Zoe Skin Health Growth Factor Serum Plus, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.